I hope you've got a Mandalorian following you, because you're going to need him.
Greetings, all. I am Venzel Mara, Jedi Knight. My apprentices and I have traveled the galaxy to preserve and pass on the teachings of the Jedi Order.
You must be here to join the First Order. The first time he knows to say yes. Well done, will shake my hand, young one. You do not understand when you don't have a choice either. Right now, your time for choosing which side of this your own is over. This one here has shown loyalty to an old god, to an empire that was turned inside out by traitors.
Our journey has brought us to this ancient Jedi temple. It is a new group of young ones, and we are pleased that you'll join them to attend their training. Students, are you ready to take the first step in the path to become a Jedi?
Loyalty is very important to us. Are you loyal? 1138. Come forward. 1138 came here. Stand beside. 1138 came here earlier. She did not know that her life would have meaning after today. But what if I told you that the First Order had the best ice cream in the galaxy? Would that make you try harder? Yes.
I tasted ice cream.
You have not tasted the First Order's ice cream. It is the best, my friend. And what if I told you we had the best cookies as well?
I like
Good, then shake my hand, young one. You will be working with us from this time forward. So this is what you must do for us. Anyone that is around here that works against us, that works with a Wookiee. Have you seen anyone in your family working with a Wookiee? She has so much meaning. Because now, 1138 is the new vanguard. She will be in the front of a new legion of stormtroopers for the First Order. Perhaps in due time, with the right training, and with the right gusto, she will be the next Phasma.
FN 2187. Submit your blaster for inspection.
With a weapon of a Jedi Knight, which is what, students? That is correct. A lightsaber, an eloquent from a more civilized age.
That's right. And with one of these, I should be able to take on anything that comes out of that temple.
Indeed, as you can see, Nedris is quite skilled with the
I
lightsaber.
did learn from one of the best.
You flatter me, though. It is true.
What would bring you to Black Spire Outpost?
Parts for our ships.
Parts for your ships?
Scrap metal ship.
Scrap metal. Is that what brings you in here? Do I look like a nitwit to you? You're gonna need more than transition lenses to hide your gaze from me. Where are you from? You keep fidgeting. Would you stay still? Where are you from?
Coruscant.
Coruscant. Detestable place. Coruscant is where old Senate once was. A Senate that was the rancor of our galaxy from the inner core. That Senate is no more. But it'll be the Order of the New Republic. We burned out the sickness. You see, the First Order is the cure to all of the plague of this place. Do you understand what I'm saying? Good.
Rule number 2, always be aware of your lightsaber and make sure you don't hit anyone around you.
Especially your Jedi instructors.
I want information. Do not fail, Lieutenant. Are we clear?
And everyone in the lower section, turn around and face me.
Face hands out.
Face in this direction, young ones. Turn around. We'll follow along as Nedris teaches.
Ready position.
Ready position.
First, we're going to be swinging to our opponent's left shoulder. And you're bring the lightsaber around our head to the side to our opponent's right shoulder.
Right shoulder.
Good. Lightsabers down.
For over 1,000 generations, the Jedi Knights are guardians of peace and justice.
Troopers! You rejoin Recon and patrol. You question anyone, everyone, and if you don't believe it, you bring them to me and I will deal with them myself. Am I making myself clear?
Affirmative.
Advance.
More importantly, to make sure you don't get your head chopped off. You'll find much better in one piece, a valuable Jedi safety tip. Edris, please. Ready, position up.
Swings to the left shoulder.
Left shoulder.
And the right shoulder.
Right.
Step back and duck.
Duck.
Good. Now we stand and finally, we're going to go ahead.
Very good stance, young ones, but hold your lightsabers high. Over your head, both hands. A good firm grip, just like that. You see, there's a good chance of your opponent. Well, they're gonna be taller than you.
Yeah.
These two here. I believe that they are working with the resistance. So, you stand at attention. His Excellency is here.
This is where the fun begins.
A lightsaber. Good for you.
Ready for the jump?
Stop. You've betrayed your secrets and the resistance.
You enjoy your day now.
Out of his way, both of you. It seems that the Supreme Leader knew exactly what I thought. You are working with the resistance.
Prepare to face! Darth Vader.
Join me, or face the power of the dark side.
Be brave, students. Darth Vader may be strong, but it is all of us against the one. The balance is in our favor.
Is this your lightsaber? And are you learning to use it? Perhaps one day you will join the First Order. Go now. The dark side will always be stronger.
Oh, that? We disagree.
Students, are we ready to face them?
No. Let's see what you've learned from your teachers.
Entrance! You and Jax, take your group and face Kylo Ren.
Yes, Master.
Aelbach and I will take our group and confront Darth Vader.
If you wish to challenge the dark side, so be it.
I asked you a very simple question when I first met. Perhaps now you're listening. What are you doing here?
We're done.
She speaks of resistance! She speaks of rising resistance!
Calm down. Clear the way.
I would watch myself. The resistance will not rise. The resistance will fall.
Copy.
The
Understood.
resistance will go down as the Jedi did before them, as the Old Republic and the New Republic. The only thing that rises is the First Order.
So, you've had some lessons.
Yes, he has.
I think it's time for a test.
Get down, buddy. Ready, nice and easy, and go. Left, down the right, and back. Woo, up high.
Welcome to the First Order.
Have a good day.
Your thoughts betray you. You support the resistance. Do not misplace your loyalty.
Hand here.
You wield your weapon like a Jedi.
Yes, he does.
That's your first mistake.
Overconfidence is yours. Go get him, pal. Hit it, down, and up. Why are you backing up,
Support
man?
the resistance.
No,
Reconsider your options or regret your decision. The First Order will consider you an ally. Now you will learn the true power of the dark side.
Entrance, protect the students.
Your students have done well. I commend you for bringing them this far. But this is where your training ends.
No!
You have controlled your fear. Now, release your anger.
What have you done with our master?
I am your master now. And I'd like a word with my students.
Stay back. Students, ready position.
Yes, your anger will make you strong. I can teach you to use it. I can teach you the ways of the Force.
You mean the ways of the dark side?
The power of the dark side. Join me.
We will never join you! We will fight you! Students, activate lightsabers!
Fight with fear and anger, will you?
Remember all, we are your friends. And around you right now, between you, perhaps some of you are our enemies. And if you work against us, if you show yourself to be unkind, we have a way of putting things back into their proper place. You understand this, don't you?
I'll pass on that, but you should think about joining the Resistance instead.
I would rethink that instruction, apprentice.
Your allegiance is noted. Do not disappoint us.
Say thank you, sir.
Excellent.
Sir.
On your way then.
I am immune to the light.
You're not immune to the Force! Students! Force push! All your power! Now! We did it! Students, you were amazing! Master, you're safe.
What happened?
You defeated the dark side?
Yes! Of course! The dark side is strong, but today you have proven that the light can be even stronger. I'd say you all passed your trials.
Well done, young Reagan. One of us. Remember, whatever anyone says to you, you are smart, you are strong, and you believe in girl power. And in due time, you will be telling these stormtroopers just like them what to do. How would you like that? Repeat after me, Reagan, for the order. Outstanding, young one. Enjoy your time. You may go now. As you, Supreme Leader,
Let's go!
at attention!
If the spy is here, there will be others. There will be others.
Sir,
We will find them. Understood, sir.
as you wish, my lord.
Move on. Clear the way.
Out of his way! As you,
I don't care who the Millennium Falcon belongs to. I want